The formula to Google Ad success. For us at IT Creed, the formula to Google Ad success is a combination of 5 things. Number 1 is understanding the offer. Say, for example, if you're selling a handmade jewelry, you need to know what makes your product unique. Is it the material, the design, the price, or the craftsmanship? In doing so, it will help you create ads that highlights the right features and benefits. Next would be understanding your customer journey. Recognizing the steps a customer takes from seeing your ads to making a purchase. Say, for example, after interacting with your ads, do they need to visit your website, read a blog post, sign up to a newsletter, or just directly add item to cart? Mapping this journey will help you create a more effective ads. Number 3 is like knowing who your target audience are. Say, before you even create your ad, you need to identify who are you writing for? Who is this ads for? In the screen, you will see an example of target audience. We call this an ICP, or your ideal customer persona. So by knowing your ICP, you can write better ad copy that resonates to your target audience. Later in this course, we will show you how to build your ICP and how to create a media plan before you even run your campaign. Next one would be, now that you have an ICP, knowing the how, when, and where to show your ads is also important. You need to know what were the keywords that your ideal customer are using to look for a certain product like yours. And finally, once you're running the campaign and you got your data, you need to be able to make a data-driven decisions based from your campaign. That is the part wherein we will be optimizing ads.